got a new upgrade in for the Stampede. Let's check it out. All right. So what I got here is a RPM front bumper, and it says it's for the Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive, which I'm gonna be putting in on the Stampede. 8952, 13 bucks. All right, man. It's a nice front bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this little one here. The stock front bumper. Alright, we got the stock front bumper removed. Really small one. Let's see. Let's see what we got in the bag. Okay, that's pretty good compared to this. Got the bull bar. It's pretty nice. It's gonna look good on there. Okay, so then they give us a bracket. Little instruction sheet. Got a nice RPM sticker in there. And 3 screws, which I'm gonna be using to install to the bracket. All right, let's get started. Got the 3 screws out. Let's see how this is gonna go. Like that. Go ahead and start that one up. This looks like it's gonna be let's see. Yep. Looks like it's the number 2 hex. Fix this lighting a bit for you. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the first one. Yeah, this front bumper's pretty good. Alright, let's start the second one. I'll start the last one. ahead and get them on there. Give them a little torque. Good right there. Alright, YouTube, my bad. I had to delete some files. Alright, so I got it on there. Looks really nice, real sturdy, super strong. So I'm going to switch back to the screwdriver. So now I'm using the original 2 screws. They didn't include no screws for the installation of the bumper, but you know, I'll find some screws later. And it matches up perfectly. It matches the holes match up perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get one on here. I'm gonna go ahead and start the other one. Go ahead and put this one in there. Okay. Alright, I'll finish off this one. Let's see. Nearly there. Alright, so I went ahead and just put them diagonal, I guess that's what you would call it. Since I only have 2 screws for now. Later I'll get 2 more for there. But let's check it out. Finished look of it. Now, that's a lot more beefier. A lot of protection. Super good. Bull bar look. Looks great. Compared to just this, you know. Big difference. Look at that. It's a great bumper, man. It's a nice looking bumper there. Nice bull bar. Oh yeah, it's sturdy. Little flex in there. Now that goes real good with my my back bumper that I installed on there. Got the front bumper on there. Yeah, man, it's a good upgrade. I like it. I'm happy with it. Go ahead, this number 80952, $13. Easy install. Y'all saw that right there. Nice shield on the bottom. Good for curbs. All right, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.